Welcome to Learning Max Whiteboard YouTube channel. So again JEE question. So sequence and series, that chapter. So first one, if 100 times the 100th term of an AP, 100 times 100th term of an AP with non-zero common difference, so D definitely not equal to 0. Okay, so 100 times 100th term of an AP with non-zero common difference equals the 50 times its 50th term, then the 150th term of this AP is dash. Okay, so solution, it's a very easy question. Solution, so 100 times 100th term, so 100th term in the sense A plus 99D, we all know that. So first term A, second term A plus 2D, and third term A plus 3D, second term A plus D and third term A plus 2D. so until the 100th term is A plus 99D. okay, so we are going to multiply by 100 because 100 times 100th term of an AP with non-zero common difference D not equal to 0, D definitely not equal to 0, which is equal, so this is equals to 50 times, so 50 times in the sense we have to multiple 50 to 50th term, that is A plus 49D. okay, then we need to find 150th term of this AP. Okay, so we have to solve this. So 150 50 and 250 100, so you need to multiply these two by A and as well as 99D. so 2A plus 99D, so 99D in the sense 198D, which is equal to the right hand side A plus 49D. okay, so if we move this A to here and 49 to here this side, so 2A plus 198D minus A, because this is a positive A, it goes to another side of the equation LHS, it will become a inverse operator A, so that is minus A, and same for this one also, minus 49D equals to 0. okay, so here we have 2A and here we have minus A, so A, and then plus this is 198 minus 49, 198 minus 49, when you subtract 188 minus 49 you will get 149D equal to 0. actually what is this? A plus 149D, A plus 149D in the sense that is T 150, term of 150, so 150th term, that is equal to 0. so you have to read the question, last part of the question, then what is the value of 150th term of this AP? so that is equals to 0, that is equals to 0, so 0 is the answer for this question. okay, next question, 3 positive terms from an increasing GP. so 3 positive numbers, so 3 positive numbers from an increasing GP. so increasing GP in the sense definitely your R is greater than 1, so increasing GP in the sense R is greater than 1. okay, so 3 positive numbers from an increasing GP, if the middle term is in the middle term in this GP is doubled, middle term in the GP is doubled, the new numbers are in AP. middle term, if you double the middle term, the new numbers are in AP, then the common ratio of the GP is dash, GP is dash. okay, so we know 3 terms of a AP, that is A and AR and AR square. okay, so this is GP. so if you double the middle term, the new numbers are in AP, which means, so we know that if you double the middle term, if you middle term in the GP is doubled, okay, so if I double the middle term, then this series becomes AP. okay, if I double the middle term, I'll get a new series that is in AP. okay, so now we all know that 2 of middle term of AP, which is equal to 2 of middle term of AP, which is equal to addition of other 2 terms. a plus ar square. Okay, so now we need to find the value of r, common ratio of the GP. Okay, so 4ar, so a 1 plus ar square, sorry, 1 plus r square. So this a and this a will cancel each other, so we only have 4r square on the right hand side and left hand side, I mean 4r square on the left hand side and right hand square 1 plus r square. So now r square minus 4r plus 1 equal to 0. So this is looks like a quadratic equation. We know how to solve the quadratic equation by using the formula minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, so here 4 plus or minus 16 minus 4 divided by 2. So 4 plus or minus you will get 12. So 4 into 3, so 2 root 3 divided by 2. So your roots are 2 plus or minus root 3. So r is initially I just start this question with r greater than 1 because it's a increasing GP. Since the numbers form an increasing GP, so definitely r greater than 1. So r equal to 2 plus root 3 is only possible, because when you take r equal to 2 minus root 3, so 2 minus root 3 1.732, it's a less than 1, it's the value of less than 1, so this is not possible. So r equal to 2 plus root 3 is only possible. Okay, so r equal to 2 plus root 3, hence option B looks like our answer, 2 plus root 3. So option B is a correct answer for this question. Okay, so next question. So if the sum 3 by 1 square plus 5 by 1 square plus 2 square plus 7 by 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square etc. plus up to 20 times is equal to, so this sum is equal to, we have the value that is k divided by 21, then we need to find the value of k. Okay, so the questions, I mean this question is a little bit tricky. So we have the answer which is equal to k by 21, we need to find the value of k. Okay, solution. So look at the numerator value 3, 5, 7 etc. So 3, 5, 7 etc. in the sense that is the general term of 2n plus 1. General term of 2n plus 1. Look at the numerator. I mean look at the numerator. So numerator is 2n plus 1 general term. Denominator, we all know that n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 divided by 6. So the Tn general term of this series is, general term of the given series is 2n plus 1 divided by n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 divided by 6. So 2n plus 1, 2n plus 1 will be cancel each other. So new 6 goes to numerator, so it will become 6 divided by n into n plus 1. So 6 divided by n into n plus 1. So Tn which is equal to 6 divided by n into n plus 1. Okay, so I'm going to rearrange this 6 divided by n into n plus 1 as 6 into n plus 1 minus n divided by n into n plus 1. So minus n plus n will cancel each other, so the previous terms comes same as this. Okay, so now 6 1 by n minus 1 by n plus 1. Again I am rearranging the previous term with like this 1 by n minus 1 by n plus 1. If you take the cross multiplication, you will get the above term, I mean above answer. Okay, so now this is Tn. So what is T1? T1 which is equal to 6 into 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2. T2 which is equal to 6 into 1 by 2 plus, I mean minus 1 by 3. T3 which is equal to 6 into 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. So Tn that is equal to 6 into 1 by n minus 1 by n plus 1. Okay, if you sum these terms, if you add all the terms, so just look at here, minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cancel each other, minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 cancel, so minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, that is also cancel, and 1 by n, minus 1 by n plus 1 by n cancel, so Sn which is equal to 6 into 1 by n minus 1 by n plus 1. So this is the sum of all the values from this from this series. Okay, so this is the sum Sn. Okay, sum of finite series Sn which is equal to 6 into 1 by n minus 1 by n plus 1. In our question we need to add 20 terms. Just look at here, so up to 20 terms. So obviously n equal to 20, n equal to 20, we have to substitute n equal to 20 for here. So S20 which is equal to 6 1 by, okay, so that is 1, here we have not 1 by n, so this is 1 by 1, because just look at here, we have 1 by 1, so all this are plus minus will be cancel each other, so remaining 1 by 1 minus 1 by n plus 1, so 6 1 minus 1 by 21, so we need to cross multiply this, 21 minus 1 divided by 21 minus 1 divided by 21, so 6 into 20, that is 120 divided by 21. So in our question we don't have to find the answer, we need to find the value of k, so k divided by 21 which is equal to 120 divided by 21, so this equals, so obviously k equal to 120, because you need to cancel this, 21 cancel each other, so k equal to 120. So k equal to 120, so just look at the option A, that is 120, so 120 is the answer, k equal to 120. Next question, so given an AP, so we have AP series, given an AP whose terms are all positive integer, so whose terms are all positive integer, so positive integer sense the APs looks like 2 3 4 2 10 5, okay, so look like this, for example 2 15 like that, so definitely your D also positive integer, D also positive integer. So when the AP is positive integer, D is automatically positive integer. Okay. Next, the sum of its first 9 term is greater than 200. Sum of its first 9 term is greater than 200 and less than 220. Okay. So sum of first 9 terms. So first term A1, A2, A3 plus etc. A9. Okay, this is A 9 term, so it is greater than 200 and less than 220, which means 200 less than sum of 9 terms, and then sum of 9 terms will be less than 220, okay, like this. Okay, so now 200 divided by, so Sn formula, what is Sn formula, because sum of finite series Sn equal to a by 2. So Sn equal to n by 2, I'm sorry, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So 2a, so n by 2, first n by 2, so n 9 divided by 2, 2a, so a1 is the first term, 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d, 8d. Because n is a 9, so 9 minus 1, 8, which is less than 220. Okay. So now 200 9 by 2, so obviously we just take a1 as a, so a the first term, so obviously I'm going to take a as a first term, so 2a plus 8d which is less than 220, a1 equal to a, we all know that. So 200 less than, so 2, 2, this is 4, so 9 a plus 4d less than 220. So next 200 less than 9. So the second term is, in your question, the second term is 12, which means a plus d which is equal to 12, a which is equal to 12 minus d, a which is equal to 12 minus d. So instead of a, we just put 12, wait, 12 minus d. So minus d, already we have plus 4d, so plus 3d less than 220. Okay, next 200 less than, so here we have a common factor 3, so 9 into 3, 4 plus d is less than 220. So 200 divided by 27 less than 4 plus d, which is less than 220 divided by 27, because 9 3s are 27, goes to either side of the inequality sign. Okay, so 200 divided by 27 minus 4 less than d, 220 divided by 27 minus 4. Okay, so if you cancel this, you will get 3.4 less than d less than 4.14, 4.14. Okay, so now just look at the d. So d in the range of 3.4 and d which is d less than, d should be greater than 3.4 and d less than 4.14. so look at the scenario of this decimal point. So we have only integer in between these two decimal number is 4. Obviously initially we just took d is a d is a integer, so only 4 is the possible for d. Okay, because d lies between 3.4 to 4.14, so only possible integer is 4, so d equal to 4 and a which is equal to 12 minus d, because the second term a plus d which is equal to 12, so a which is equal to 12 minus d and a equal to 12 minus 4 equal to 8. So a equal to 8 and d equal to 4. We need to find the value of fourth term, so a plus 3d. So a 8 plus 3 to 3 4s are 12, 20. So fourth term will be 20. So T4 which is equal to 20. T4 which is equal to 20. So given an AP whose terms are all positive integer, the sum of first 9 terms is greater than 200 and less than 220. The second term in it is 12, then its fourth term will be dash. So fourth term is 20. So thank you for watching this video, guys.